Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 32, the final steps to mastering the power of your subconscious mind. In this final chapter, Dr. Murphy shares the ultimate steps for harnessing the power of your subconscious mind and living your ideal life. Dr. Murphy begins by reiterating that the subconscious mind is your greatest ally. It has the potential to help you achieve anything you desire, but only if you learn to consciously direct its power. By mastering your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, you can unlock the full potential of your subconscious. One of the key methods Dr. Murphy recommends is to practice deep relaxation and quiet the mind. This allows you to connect with your inner self and give your subconscious mind the space to provide guidance, insights, and answers to your questions. He also emphasizes the importance of living with a clear sense of purpose. Knowing what you want and having a definite goal gives your subconscious a target to aim for. It works best when you have clarity in your desires and consistently align your actions with those goals. Another step is to visualize your desired outcome as already accomplished. Visualization creates a powerful mental picture in your subconscious mind, which then works to manifest that picture into reality. The more real and vivid your mental image is, the stronger the subconscious programming. Dr. Murphy concludes by reminding us that the law of attraction works through the subconscious mind. What you focus on, you attract. By constantly thinking about your goals, visualizing them, and affirming them, you send out positive energy into the universe, drawing your desires toward you. The key takeaway: master your thoughts, visualize your goals, and trust the process. By following these final steps, you can achieve anything you set your mind to and live the life of your dreams. Your subconscious mind is the key to unlocking a world of endless possibilities. That wraps up the power of your subconscious mind. Thank you for joining us on this life-changing journey through Dr. Joseph Murphy's teachings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more book summaries and transformative insights.